If you want to move money from crypto.com to your bank account, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done. Let's get into it. So to begin the process, we're going to go and start right over here on their homepage. And this is the mobile app that I'm using. So we're going to go down to accounts at the bottom. We're going to tap on accounts, and here you will see crypto wallet. Now, once you tap on crypto wallet, you'll be able to do a few things. Right at the top, there's buy, sell, pay, and transfer. And what we want to do is click on transfer. And once we've clicked on transfer, we want to then click on withdraw. Now, over here, you will have the option to withdraw crypto. And you're going to go all the way down to external wallet and tap on this. Now, depending on what region you're in and what balance you have and what currency you have set your default currency to, you will have a few different options here. So you can add a wallet address to withdraw. And the only reason I only have this option is because my current balance is 0. But what will happen essentially is you'll choose the bank that you would like to withdraw into, and then you'll add in those details. You also may have to make a small deposit from your bank just to verify that you do own the rights to the use of that bank account, and then it'll be added and you can withdraw directly to your bank account. Now, if you go back to the home page, you can actually go to the lines on the top left-hand side, and you're going to look for settings. And under settings, you'll be able to actually go into account, and you can actually change your currency over here. So you can see over there, it says display and payment currency. This is my current one. So if you go ahead, if you want to make it USD or whatever currency you are currently using or you prefer, you can go ahead and make that change right over here in settings. And then you'll be able to make the payment to obviously a bank that supports that currency.